Name a Fortnite dance and I'll do it.
I don't know the name.
I bet there's a child. But I can do the orange justice really good, guys.
Well, let's see if my...
Go. We have cranberry, spinach, turkey, and a butter.
Dunes ATV, sand surf, camels, stargazing, 5-star barbecue at a camp for 85 USD. Oh, it kind of reminds me of Cambodia. We were at the Dragon Mart Mall. We couldn't find much food in there. Yeah. I feel like last year when I featured on every single vlog and I was in every single clip. Yeah, new me. I want to pace like you back then and now.
I'm actually hungry now.
I'm really hungry too. I could devour a whole burger.
Okay.
Ah.
That's a McDonald's. Is this also chicken? The register is too tall.
Okay, let's put our rating.
8.7.
8.7. 9.7. 9.
9.
What do you rate it?
7.6.
Oh, guys. 7?
8.8.
I think it's...
Yeah, it's your spiders.
She is having the time of her life right now.
I love food, guys.
Cheese.
The sauce?
Yeah. I love it.
So do you want to have a break or finish? Maybe a break. Okay, but that's rated 8.5.
8.5.
8.5 as well.
Another 8.5.
I would say 8.8.
So the same as well. 8.5. 8.
I think I'm going with 9.
Well, that's standard, right?
What do you rate it?
9.
Wow. Jollibee, I think.
I want a spaghetti. Veronica rates it a 7.8. You rate it a 7.8?
No, a 7.
7. Jolene rates it a 7. Jewel?
7.5.
7.5. Brian?
7.5.
7.5.
How Donna, what do you rate it?
9.2.
6.5.
Maybe a 6.9.
Maybe Philippines tastes better.
Take it back.
It smells so sweet. Look at all the warheads. Can we buy some?
Good, we should go.
Oh my goodness. Wait, look at this. What did you get, Joel?
Just some little sweet treats.
What is that? Is it special? Is it random?
Thanks.
Just eat it all in one.
Whoa.